This Pokemon is one of my favorites. I've had him ever since I've adventured into the Kalos region. Ever since it was a fledgling, I've been training with it non-stop. Well, well, um, well, only on weekends. Usually on Fridays, I take him walking around New York City, and we often check out the Museum of Natural History and that kind of stuff. Alright, anyhow, this Pokemon's name is Talonflame. And this Pokemon is fast and shed embers out of its feathers. That's an awesome rhyme. There we go. Here are the feathers that came with it. Here we go. Talonflame's feathers. This is feathers, claws. There we got it. Lastly, the feathers. Orange feathers. There. last but not least, Talonflame's other flames. And finished. That's how you draw Talonflame. I finally got it finished. I wish for you all to like and rock and subscribe to my channel to check out more how to draw Pokemon episodes. And I promise Scarlet and Violet is going to arrive real soon, and I'm going to draw them all. Good night. Stegosaurus, see you later.